In this video, after cleaning the system, we're going to reassemble, adding our tap water, nutrients, and pHing to the target pH for the type of vegetable that we're going to grow. Now let's get it done. Now that our tap water is sitting for 48 hours to off-gas the chlorine, it's time to add some nutrients. It is November 3rd, 60 degrees outside, 77 degrees inside. And now it's time to pH the water. I'm going to add some pH down to get it from 7.5 to 6.0. This will take a few hours, so take your time. pH sitting at 6.0, reservoir temp 71. Water's flowing and we're ready to transplant. Houston, we have a problem. Woke up this morning to find only half of my grow light working. So we need to remedy this situation. So I'm gonna take this light down and do some troubleshooting. Come to find out, this 150 watt power driver is not working. So now I'm just gonna splice in that one LED panel that's not working into the other power driver and then hang the light back up. And now that it's working, we're back in business.
I met her in a club down in Old Soho, where you drink champagne and it tastes like Coca-Cola, C-O-L-A Cola. She walked up to me and she asked me to dance. I asked her her name and in a dark brown voice she said Lola, L-O-L-A Lola, la 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 Lola. Well, I'm not the world's most physical guy, but when she squeezed me tight, she nearly broke my spine. Oh my Lola, la la la.
And yes, my light is still working off of one driver.
I'm not dumb, but I can't understand why she walked like a woman but talked like a man. Oh my Lord, la 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 la. Well, we drank champagne and danced all night under electric candlelight. She picked me up and set me on her knee, said, "Little boy, won't you come on with me?" Well, I'm not the world's most passionate guy, but when I looked in her eyes, well, I almost fell for my Lord. La 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 la
This week I was dealing with a pH issue, so I quickly did a full reservoir changeout, and I remedied this situation. When in doubt, do a changeout.
fell to the floor. I got down on my knees. I had her and she and me. That's the way that I wanted to stay, and I always wanted to be that way for my Lola. La 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 la. Girls will be boys and boys will be girls. It's a mixed up, muddled up, shook up world. It's up for Lola. La 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 la. Well, I left home just a week before, and I'd never ever kissed a woman before. But Lola smiled and took me by the hand, saying, "I'm gonna make you mine." Well, I'm not the world's most masculine man, but I know what I am, and I'm glad I'm a man. So it's Lola, la 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 la.
And remember, folks, cultivate kindness no matter where you are in the world. And thanks for watching.